Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add follow button on Facebook page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Tap on double click menu option and to show is Facebook page. Okay, just tap on top left profile and click on edit option. Okay, then scroll down, then back, click on three dot option and click on edit action button. Okay, just tap on edit button and just click follow button and save, and no show follow button, just this app is not updated. Go to Play Store and update your app and show this follow button, just click and save. That's all. To add follow button on Facebook page, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.